Welcome back to our channel, Coin Enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of UK coinage, specifically the top 3 UK 5 new Pence Elizabeth coins. These coins have not only a rich history, but also some interesting values that collectors would love to know. So let's get started. 1971 UK 2 new Pence. 1971 was a significant year for the United Kingdom as it marked the decimalization of its currency. On February 15, 1971, known as Decimal Day, the UK transitioned from the old system of pounds, shillings, and pence to a simpler decimal system. This major shift meant that the old coins were replaced with new ones, including the 5 new pence coin. The 1971 5 new pence coin features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse designed by Arnold Machine. This iconic image of the Queen was used on UK coins from 1968 to 1984. On the reverse, you'll find a crowned thistle, the emblem of Scotland, designed by Christopher Ironside. The coin is made of cupronickel, a durable alloy of copper and nickel, and weighs 5.65 grams with a diameter of 23.59 millimeters. Its distinctive heptagonal shape makes it easily recognizable. When it comes to mintage, over 169 million 5 new pence coins were produced in 1971. Given the high mintage, the coin is not considered rare, but its historical significance and design make it a beloved piece for many collectors. So what about its value today? In circulated condition, the 1971 5 new pence coin is generally worth its face value. However, uncirculated coins or those in exceptional condition can be worth more. Depending on the coin's condition, it can range from a few pence to a few pounds. Proof versions, which are specially made for collectors, can fetch even higher prices. When evaluating the value of your coin, consider factors like its condition, rarity, and demand. Coins that are well preserved, with minimal wear and clear details, are typically more valuable. In summary, the 1971 UK 5 new pence Elizabeth coin is a wonderful addition to any collection. Its historical context, unique design, and role in the decimalization of UK currency make it a fascinating piece. Whether you're collecting for fun or investment, this coin is definitely worth considering. 1975 UK 2 new pence. Let's start by exploring the historical context behind the 1975 5 new pence coin. Introduced as part of the decimalization of British currency in 1971, this coin was minted during a period of transition in the UK's monetary system. The obverse of the coin features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II designed by Arnold Machine. This portrait is a classic representation seen on many UK coins of that era. On the reverse side, we see the denomination 5 pence surrounded by a crowned thistle symbolizing Scotland. The 1975 5 new pence coin was minted in large quantities, primarily at the Royal Mint in London. It's composed of cupronickel, giving it a distinctive appearance and feel. In terms of value, these coins are highly sought after by collectors. Their value can vary based on factors such as condition, rarity, and demand in the numismatic market. While not extremely rare, certain varieties or minting errors can make specific coins more valuable to collectors. It's always exciting to discover these unique variations that add intrigue to any collection. Over the years, the value of the 1975 5 new pence coin has shown steady appreciation, making it not only a piece of history, but also a potential investment opportunity for collectors looking to diversify their portfolios. If you're interested in starting or expanding your collection of UK coins, consider acquiring a 1975 5 new pence coin. Look for coins in good condition with clear mint marks and minimal wear to ensure their long-term value. 1980 UK 5 new pence. The 1982 new pence coin, featuring a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, was designed by Arnold Machine. This portrait, used from 1968 to 1984, is known for its elegant depiction of Her Majesty. On the reverse side, we see a simple but impactful design, a crowned portcullis with chains, a motif associated with Parliament and used since the Tudor era as a symbol of security and strength. The 2 new pence coin was minted in large quantities, which generally keeps its numismatic value within a reasonable range. However, certain factors such as minting errors or specific mint marks can greatly influence its rarity and value. Currently, the 1982 new pence coin in uncirculated condition can fetch around current market value. However, coins in pristine condition or those with unique attributes can command higher prices at auctions or from collectors. If you're looking to collect or invest in these coins, focus on coins with minimal wear, clear mint marks, and ideally with original luster intact. These factors can significantly enhance their appeal and value. And there you have it, the story behind the 1980 UK 2 new pence coin. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, understanding the history and nuances of each coin enriches the experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of coin collecting. Thanks for watching.